Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have a package of Tim Holtz new products, ideology products. Not all of them, I couldn't get a hold of a lot of them, but I got what I could get, and I thought I would open it up with you guys. If I can get this cut open. Gosh, this is not wanting to cut. Here we go. So I'm going to try and order more, but I was pretty excited. Some of his stuff has been so fun. Okay, so I got these, which have fun little, they're quote flares. Always choose to do your best. Let's see. I'm hoping you guys can see that. Here we go. I just thought they'd be really cute on journals and front covers and stuff. So I got these, which they are just letters. I don't know what they're made of though, but there's a lot of them and it's pretty sturdy. This one fell out. But I like the fact that they're clear. I thought these would be a lot of fun. So we'll have to play with these. This is just a quick. So I ordered these from Simon Says Stamps. So this is stickers, and they used to have them in a roll, but they found they were, I think they used to be in a roll. But they have some fun sayings, and they are bumpy. So I thought these would be fun to put on clusters and all that fun stuff. Now these, I was really excited. So they're stencil cards, but they're not like for your typical stencil card. So let me open these. These are, so they're not really technically made for stencils. I mean, you can use them as stencils, but they're not made for stencils. They are like a chipboard type, a little thinner than a regular chipboard. Kind of like cereal box thickness. But like you can use like part of it as a background, or cut out a word, or use the whole thing in a mixed media project. But I thought these were fun when I saw them, and then saw some of the projects that were made. I thought they were fun. So I guess you can use them as a stencil. I wouldn't, because they're I'd be afraid that after so many uses they'd get ruined, because it's not a plastic. But there are different sizes, different. So I can't wait to play with these. And then, so he's doing away with his 12 by 12 paper pads and 8 by 8 paper pads. And he has these called backdrops, and they are a 6 by 10. He has, I think there's two different ones. I can only get my hands on one of them. I ordered what I could get, like everything that was available, I ordered one. So I have to keep my eye out for other availabilities to get more. But I can't wait to play with these. Look how, so there are, let's see, 24, and they're double-sided. So how fun are these going to be? Make clusters, make whatever, you know. Make fun little pockets. I love the, look at that, that's really pretty. tags, journal cards. It'd be fun for doing a collage cover with. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. One of his crackle. He had so many things that were, oh, I just wanted to get my hands on, but they were hard to get. Everybody wants them. I can't wait to play with these for collage. How fun would these be in a collage? And they're like a 6 by, so you could totally just, you know, well, let's take this for instance. Look at how, oh, look at those beautiful flowers. So you can take this, fold it, and use this as a cover for a little tiny journal. I mean, goodness, they're, you can, it'll be fun as page covers, pages in a journal. I mean, they're kind of thick, but not really thick. They're like a good size cardstock. I don't know what size. Do they say how thick these are? No. No, they do not say how thick, but so I do not know the weight. It's like he took some of those ephemera pieces and bloated some of them up to do these. That's pretty. Wish I could have gotten my hands on more. Oh, look at those beautiful butterflies. Those are pretty too. I don't know if I'd want to cut out these individual butterflies. You could if you wanted to, but I don't know if I would. And they'd make a pretty cool pocket though. Oh, that looks really neat. Some music paper on the back. Oh goodness, this would make a cute pocket going this way or the other way, or gosh, these will be really fun to play with. These are so fun. So I got these off of Simon Says Stamp. I would have not been able to find them at any Joann's or Michael's or Hobby Lobby or any of those. I have been looking since his video came out and he stated that these would be available in stores. I have been looking and I have not had any luck. So I had to go to an online source to buy them. So there's like Simon Says Stamps. You might be able to get them at Stampers Anonymous. Let's see, scrapbooking.com might have them. Last time I looked they didn't though, but it's been a bit since I've looked. I'm so excited about these. How fun will these be on a little cluster? So like cut a little piece of this and put it on a paper cluster. That would be like so cute. I'll have to do a video and play with these, play with all these, but this one I am, for right now, going to just, let's open these and look. So let's see, you get 2 of the same sheets. 68 stickers. So it looks like they're both the exact same. Well, yeah. But have fun. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, they are. Okay. But how fun would that be? Just be a little brave, or thinking of you on a card. So fun. So these almost feel like they are made out of a thick plastic. But, I mean, gosh, let me grab a, here we go. I mean, gosh, you can put like hello or whatever, because there's a lot in here. Let's see how many. There's 144 pieces of alphabets in here. So, and some numbers. So like you can put whatever, you know, on here, but how cute. Look, you can totally see the lettering, but also see through it so you can see the paper behind it. So, oh, these are going to be fun. Let's open these up. Oh, there's a plastic. So, hollow. Didn't expect that. Pretty cool. I've never bought these or used these. They had older ones, but they're very lightweight, which is great. But look at that cute dog. Oh, isn't that dog adorable? And then let's see. Well, there we go. It's one way to get them all out. That is beautiful with the butterfly. These are very fun. I cannot wait to play with them. Although I think to stick them, I'll need double-sided or massively glue. Let your dreams take flight. Who doesn't need that, you know? As a reminder, always dream. Dreams are good to have. Do small things with great love. So, a lot of fun. I am not entirely sure if I will come back on here to do more, play with them and put it on this, or just show this and then do another one later. I'm not sure. So if I do decide to start playing, then you won't see me rambling right here. If I decide to call this quits, thank you for joining me, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and hopefully you found this enjoyable of some of the new products, not all, because I couldn't, I'll deal with that later. I couldn't get all of them. I just couldn't get them all. There's a lot. He released a lot of fun ideology. Oh, the paper. I want the wallpaper pack he did. I just haven't been able to, like, sold out, and I can't get my hands on it yet. When I get it, I will show you guys, because it's beautiful. Not only do you have sheets of wallpaper, but you have cutouts of like the flowers and all that kind of stuff. It is just gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed this little show of some of his new ideology product, and I will see you all on the next crafting adventure video. Thanks for joining me. Bye.